All right, well, before we get into the episode, I want to talk about something fairly serious and very private. Something that, is not something we really bring up too much private stuff very much. But because I have this platform, I want to mention it. A lot of people who listen to this podcast are people that I already know, and so they may already know this news. But if anybody doesn't, I want to bring that up. I just want to let everybody know out there that my wife and I are looking to adopt a child. We are very excited about this. This is something that we've talked about for a while, and we're really hopeful that we can find a child out there who needs us. And we have some certain things that we're looking for. Obviously, hopefully a healthy and hopeful newborn is something that we're looking for. The one difficult thing about adoption is there's a couple different ways you can go. And what we want to do is we want to go with a private adoption, which is really difficult to do because you have to find somebody who's willing to give up their kid.
Right.
And so to get a private adoption, you have to be as public as possible and just like tell everybody you know. And so that's why I'm mentioning this right now. Just because, you never know who might know somebody who is like, wow, they're thinking about giving up their child. Well, there is a good home that is looking for that child. And that would be me and my wife. And so if anybody is curious or wants to share our story, I would absolutely be immensely appreciative of it. We have a website called hopefuladopters.com, all one word. So feel free to check that out. That's kind of a letter to our future child, and just kind of telling the story of, what me and my wife are, hopefully looking to adopt. But, if you guys hear anything, please share hopefuladopters.com. Send me an email, hopefuladopters@gmail.com. If there's anything out there, but just kind of wanted to mention that, I have the platform, so I'm going to do it.
Okay.
And an easy enough segue for me, because someone who actually focuses and works on family law is Jody Sellers at the Sellers Law Firm. And you can bet your butt I'm going to be utilizing him as my lawyer come the time to draft the paperwork and, actually adopt a child. And I think everybody out there should take a look at the Sellers Law Firm. You can go to thesellerslawfirm.com. He's an amazing attorney. He specializes in all things family law. This guy knows his stuff. Make sure to follow him on Facebook, on Instagram. He's probably got Twitter, Snapchat. The dude's very interested in joining and being a part of the community and being out there on social media. And so everybody out there, make sure you check in for the Sellers Law Firm. Well, if you're in Georgia, because he practices in the state of Georgia. So, yeah, which is where I live now. So pretty soon I will be able to say, yeah, this guy got me a baby, so he can get you one too.
And hey, if you don't live in Georgia, maybe you know someone who does.